Hey. Hey. What do you want to talk about? It's a nice day. Oh, you're so handsome. Handsome boy. Handsome Noomi. Noomi? Oh, you're so distracted. Are you distracted? Oh shit. Seeing fucking birds, aren't you? Oh no. No, I'm here. You can't touch them. I'll put a bell on you. Can't touch them. Mm. No. No. I don't let you. I don't give you permission to kill a bird. I know you want to. I know you want to. No. Oh, Noomi. No. You don't touch it. No. No. You can ask as much as you want. Yes, Anna. You tell him, no bird. No bird. Where's your golf ball? Noomi. It's your golf ball. Oh, there it is. Look. Woo. Woo. It's your golf ball. Shit, that was a bad throw. Go get it. You play with that. There. Sana. Hi, Sana. Oh, Sana. Yeah, you stay there. I'm watching ya. I mean, I love ya. But I don't want you killing Birdie. Okay? I'm out here, so you can't touch nothing. Love you, Noomi. There's boundaries, alright? Boundaries. Okay. We understand then. Alright. You're a naughty teenager, aren't you? Yeah. Bye, Noomi.